Hello, folks. It's been a while. I've been very, very, very busy. I'm glad to be back here. This is about the Affordable Health Care Act / John Boehner and Ted Cruz. Let me tell you my position on affordable health care. I think every American should be allowed a choice for affordable health care. It's not good. Everywhere I look, I see jars and different things in stores and different institutions to try to get money to ask for help in one type of operation or medical procedure after another. Now, if these buffoons, if these miscreants, these so-called politicians who are against everyone receiving federal health care, affordable health care, not one of them, and all of these people are millionaires, not one would volunteer to give you a dime on your hospital bill. I've seen hospital bills in excess of hundreds of thousands of dollars, and there's no help. Yet, all 533 members of Congress have federal funded health care. They have the best health care package in America. And let me tell you, John Boehner and Ted Cruz, I'll name them, should be thrown out of office to hold the government hostage. Do you know that the different institutions, over 800,000, these godless people, over 800,000 workers had to be sent home, and in an extended shutdown, mostly all federal workers will go without pay. Let me tell you what all this affects. Schools, the money that will go into schools for food and computers and different things, they won't receive it now. Just like even the military, they got the October the 1st, in an extended shutdown, they are affected. Now, if Ted Cruz, who's getting paid, while a lot of other people are not, and institutions are not getting any government money, why don't he turn down his check? These people, all 533 members of Congress, need a 20% pay cut. Do you know that most of these people have stock in these insurance companies? And that's a fact. These godless people. Ask yourself, would Jesus want this? Would God want somebody to take your house because you can't pay a doctor bill? And this guy look at what he stood up for Jesse Helms, that racist. Do you understand? This is the type of buffoons that you're voting for. Really? Mitch McConnell? Eric Cantor? Please. Let me tell you, most of these politicians, I've said it before and I'll say it again, most of these politicians are full of crap as a constipated elephant. Then with their toilet-stool economics, see, they're in the pockets of special interest groups and these big businesses, and they'll do anything that they're told. They could care less about the American population. This whole thing most of it is about racism. That's all this is. Now, I don't agree with a lot of the things Obama does anyway, but now affordable, not Obamacare, I'm talking about affordable health care for every American. Most of the other major countries have it. Look at the United Kingdom. And we don't have to go that far. You know what I'm talking about. This is a disgrace. This plain godlessness at its worst. We have to be extremely careful about who we're voting for. If that's the case, why don't Ted Cruz go back to Canada? He made a lot of racist statements. You know that? I don't care, people. Let me tell you something. To be voted into office and to hold these type of feelings in listen to what this man is saying. Look at John Boehner. You can't trust anything that come out the man's mouth. Yet these are the people that we're voting into office. Let's be more careful. Let's pray. Get on our knees and pray, because the country is going in the wrong direction. The further we get away from God, the more kooks and nuts that we get in these positions in Washington. Pray and ask the Lord to help you and guide you and do research on these people before you vote. Please. Because we're losing our country. All our privacy is gone, the Constitution is being destroyed, and they're holding the government hostage to make a point. That has done nothing to defund Obamacare. It's just a gag. And these miscreants and buffoons need to be thrown out of office. These idiots. But that's all right. God is not asleep or asleep. God bless you. And pray. Pray before you vote the next time. And do research.